What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your education on LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in LinkedIn. And after that, click on this first official website of LinkedIn. After clicking, if you are new to LinkedIn, you will see multiple options of signing in via email or via Microsoft or via Google or Apple. You just simply sign up with whatever software you'd like with your email and password. And after signing or logging in, you will be welcome to this homepage of LinkedIn. Now from here, hover over to the profile icon at the top. After clicking here, click on Settings and Privacy. And after clicking on Settings and Privacy, on the left side, you have the option of Visibility. Click on this Visibility options and then under the Visibility of your profile and network, click on Edit your public profile. After clicking here, on the right side, you will see the toggle is on. That means your public profile is visible to everyone. Just simply turn off this toggle and then your public profile will be hidden. And this is how you can hide your education or your whole public profile on LinkedIn. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.